Hey everybody, yeah, a little bit different video today. Some people may or may not know that for, I don't know, almost 30 years, I raced motorcycles and I dabbled in cars before I got into flying. So last fall, I got talked into doing a sprint enduro. So after, I don't know, about 8 years of sitting on the couch, I went out, had fun and enjoyed it. Got together with guys I hadn't seen for 8, 9, 10 years, and it was a lot of fun. So over the winter, kind of got talked into going racing again. So thanks to Steve at Key Time Motorsports, I picked up a 2001 Husky TX300, and today is taking her on her maiden voyage. Nothing too serious, just going to go out, break in the motor, going to play around at my dad's farm up in Baraboo. We don't even actually have any trails left. My brother and I used to, that's where we practiced all the time and rode. So I'm just going to go around, play around in some fields, maybe dabble in some woods if there's some trails I can kind of pick around on. But again, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm actually going to try to ride the entire District 16 or Wisconsin off-road series this year, and the first race is a little over a month away, so I guess it's time to get at her. Go for a slow lap once, just to kind of playing around.